She's very young. Now I understand why Uma Khumalo she's not happy. So anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Or without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. If Uma Khumalo is not leaving this man after the season, your tenderness temple season 9, I don't understand anymore, guys. Uma Khumalo, she's tired. You can see she cannot take it anymore, guys. Almost sounds like must stop saying he is marrying Makwela because there's a lag in their family. He must marry Makwela because he loves her and he wants her as a wife. He clearly won't reach the 20 children target, guys. There's no way Makwela can give Musamseleka more than 9 children, guys, unless if he wants to marry wife number 6 and number 7, guys. That one, it is possible for him to reach the target year 20, guys. So people are saying about Musamseleka, he's so unfair. So anyway, guys, Musamseleka was asked yesterday to give us the reason why you want Makwela to be your wife in number 6. You know what? Musamseleka couldn't give us the right answer, guys. He was just all over the place saying was the reason why he wants Makwela to be wife number 6 is because of Muzumbe. You can see Muzumbe is falling apart. No one is staying there. Uma Khumalo responds first to say, no, I've been looking after Muzumbe. There's a guy that I'm paying to look after Muzumbe. He's cutting the grass, making sure that everything is fine. As a man yourself, you need to go Muzumbe and check what has been happening, guys. Even Umangwabe say sometimes she will go Mzumbe and check around. She will find out what Mzumbe go sharp, guys. So Uma Khumalo just say you love her, you know you wanna marry her. Don't just say that this has something to do with Mzumbe. We are not enough. You know, the wife that just saying what it seems like you don't take us serious. You don't see us. You know, that's the reason why you want to marry wife number 6. Just tell us that you wanna marry wife number 6 because now it looks like Usamke she's a pop builder, guys. wasemzumbe. So today Usamke posted the picture. You can see, guys, there's a song behind saying Bob Builder. One thing about them 2000 they will respond. People are saying the reason why Uma Khumalo she's so angry, she's bitter when it comes to Usamke is because Usamke she's very younger than her, guys. When it comes to Mangwabe, she didn't have a problem because Mangwabe she's older than Uma Khumalo. The only thing Uma Khumalo wants for Musamseleka to marry an old woman so that she can still feel like the young wife, guys. So people are saying about money has changed. Uma Khumalo she's no longer the same. The way she's talking to Musamseleka, I mean, coolest season you can see Uguti she's not coming back for season 10, guys. So people are saying a lot of stuff. So it is what it is. When it comes to some Gamma 2000, they will give it to you, guys. It is what it is. So tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.